Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a Fiat Linea Petrol sedan for complete service of this vehicle, and we have procured all the parts at the moment. You can just check out the vehicle has been removed with all tires checkup. General checkup has been done on this vehicle. We have procured a 4-liter fully synthetic engine oil in this, and we also have a AC filter which is going to be replaced, and radiator flush is going to be done because there's a lot of dirt on the radiator side. And also we have procured a oil filter from Zip. Brand new air filter has also been procured, so you can just check out. Here is the place where the Fiat Linea brand new air filter, that's the AC filter, is going to be fitted on this vehicle. All 4 tires we have removed. The brakes, we have checked the brakes also. Backside also the liner has been removed and checked. And here is the engine oil which has been completely drained out. And this is the old oil filter, and these are the old air filter as well as the AC filter which is going to be replaced. And you can just check out this is a 1.4 liter petrol engine, most powerful engine from Fiat. So this is the oil filter which is going to be installed. This is a brand new oil filter, so this is going to be installed to the machine. So this is the radiator flush which we are using to flush out the old things which are on the radiator. Little bit dusty it looks, so this will clear all the blockages from the radiator. So we are cleaning the air filter cabin completely, and we are going to install the air filter. So this is the air filter which we are going to install to the machine. So this is the place where we are going to install the complete air filter for a better performance. Now you can just check, we are using a mobile engine oil in this at the moment, and we are installing up to 3.5 to 4 liters can be fitted in the machine. So we are using a fully synthetic mobile engine oil in this. For any kinds of servicing regarding Fiat Linea, you can just WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number 98866799617. We are based in Bangalore. So please like and subscribe our channel. Thank you.